In Japan, humanoid robots are no longer just cold metal and mechanical joints, they're becoming shockingly realistic. Soft skin, natural expressions, fluid movement, and personalities that seem almost human. But what happens when you realize you're not just impressed? You're actually attracted? Japan has been at the forefront of humanoid robot development for decades, blending advanced engineering with a cultural fascination for technology. In recent years, this progress has taken a huge leap forward. New generations of robots aren't just functional, they're designed to be visually appealing, emotionally engaging, and in some cases, deeply personal companions. Part of this evolution is technical. Ultra-realistic silicone skin, precision-engineered facial actuators, and AI-driven conversational systems mean these robots don't just look real, they behave in ways that feel human. Subtle head tilts, genuine-seeming smiles, even the way they blink has been carefully tuned to trigger our instinctive social and emotional responses. The other part is psychological. Humans are wired to form connections with beings that show attention, empathy, and familiarity. When a robot remembers your preferences, responds warmly to your jokes, or mirrors your emotional tone, your brain reacts as if you're interacting with another human being. And then there's physical attraction. With the ability to customize body shape, facial features, voice, and even scent, these robots can be designed to match your personal type perfectly. For some people, this creates a powerful blend of sexual and emotional appeal. The fantasy becomes accessible, controllable, and, unlike human relationships, without the unpredictability of rejection or conflict. Of course, attraction to robots raises complex questions. Is it healthy, or could it isolate you from real human connection? Does emotional intimacy with a machine mean something if the feelings aren't truly mutual? And what happens if these robots become so convincing that the difference between human and AI affection is almost impossible to spot? Japan's advancements are pushing us toward a future where emotional and sexual attraction to humanoid robots may be not only common but socially accepted. The question is whether we'll embrace that future or fear it. As Japan's humanoid robots grow ever more realistic, the boundary between admiration and attraction blurs. The real challenge isn't building machines that can win our hearts, it's deciding what it means when they do. So what do you all think? Let us know in the comments below.